Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be trying out Microsoft's Copilot, which is built into Windows 11. So go ahead and click on this icon here, which is Copilot, but in the preview form. And here we're going to see what it could do. So I've tested out a little bit earlier. So one of the things I'm going to try doing is have it open up a few applications for me. So I'm going to say open up calculator. Yes, I'll open up the calculator app, which pops it up here, which is good. All right, next we can try saying open edge. Yes, all right. And that one pops up as well. Go ahead and close that back out. Let's just say we want to set a timer. So set timer for 40 minutes. Oh, that's not the one I wanted. Let's go ahead and try a different one. I think it's not timer. Let's just say set focus. There we go. Focus session. That's what it's called. And there we go. And yeah, that's just using Microsoft Copilot at a high level to open up some apps. So this is just one video in a series that I'll be doing. And we'll just take it from there as I learn more about Microsoft Copilot.